Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7900 GRE Gaming OC graphics card. So friend, GIGABYTE announcing the new GIGABYTE AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE graphics card, which is powered by AMD RDNA architecture. And friend, the Gaming OC graphics card, a classic and popular Gigabyte graphics card, focus on exceptional performance and stability. And with the AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE GPU and 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, it brings next generation immersive and high refresh 1440p gaming and streaming experience with additional video memory to enable gamers to step into 4K. And friend, this graphics card comes with WINDFORCE cooling system, and the system includes 3 unique blade fans with alternate spinning, a copper plate that directly contacts the GPU, a composite copper heat pipes, 3D active fans, and screen cooling to maximize heat dissipation, ensuring the graphics card operated low temperature while delivering outstanding performance. The alternate spinning technology rotates the central fan in the opposite direction of the other two fans, effortlessly effectively dissipating heat from both the top and bottom of the graphics card for more cooling efficiency. And friend, in terms of durability, all unique blade fans utilize graphene nano lubricant, which more than doubles their lifespan, delivering nearly the same durability of the double ball bearing design while providing quieter operation. The upgraded metal backplate offers a sturdy structure, effectively guarding against bending and damage. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.